Come take a close look. The engine's shaking violently. Do you know what's causing this? Encountering this situation, if you take it to a repair shop, they'll tell you to clean the throttle body, flush the entire fuel system. They'll even make you replace the oxygen sensor. It'll cost at least $3,000, but the problem still won't get fixed. This is most likely caused by bad spark plugs. Let's test this theory next. First, unplug this connector. Then remove this bolt. Pull out this ignition coil. The spark plug is right inside this hole. We need to take it out. This is really tough to pull out. It feels like it's stuck tight inside. Okay, it's out. It's covered in rust. Totally worn out. We have to replace it. This is my new spark plug. It only cost me $3. Now we install it into the engine. Push the ignition coil back in place. Screw this bolt back on. Finally, plug the connector back in. Alright, I'll restart the car next, then check if the engine still shakes. Okay, let's fire it up again now. Let's go check the engine up front. Let's see if it still vibrates. Wow, look at that. The shaking's gone completely. Did you pick up this trick? Follow me. There are 1,000 car tips on my profile.